important persons? Sino-sino kaya sila? Gaya na sambit ko, hinihimay pa ang himala. Pero para sa ilang mga VIPs. Real talk, can anyone in this chamber, this August chamber, ascertain what are these infrastructure projects by just looking at the BICAM report? Can any of us determine what is included and comprising the additional 350 additional funding to DPWH, as well as the projects and programs defunded as part of the 61.834 reduction? I plowed through that BICAM report, which I did not sign, hoping against all odds that there was a better explanation somewhere. Alas, there is not even a joint explanation narrating what these changes were about and why they came about. The explanation, therefore, of the 288.65 billion increase in DPWH is once again various infrastructure projects, ang mahiwagang VIP. Ang hinihimala pa nga, very important persons, very important party lists kaya. When we were asked to sign the BICAM report,